combined state police and Assam Rifles team provides security to farmers during harvest at 𝐶𝐤𝐼𝐻 paddy fields in Imphal West District. Mr. International 2022 𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐻 raises narco-terrorism issue in Manipur at Mr. International pageant in Philippines. 𝐋𝐢𝐯 warns of launching intense stir if bodies of 2 slain students not handed over to people by November 5. And Police Commemoration Day observed in Thoubal District. Police personnel of district who sacrificed their lives in line of duty honored. Hello Kurumjiri, this is Northeast Window and you're watching English News with me, Jessie THIYAM. Now the news in detail. As fear has gripped farmers and people of Manipur residing in foothills and peripheral areas near the hills owing to continuous attacks by Kuki terrorists on civilians in the foothills, personnel of Patsoi police station led by OC Inspector today have started providing security to farmers harvesting their paddies at 𝐶𝐤𝐼𝐻 under Patsoi police station in Imphal West District. The harvesting was made possible with the security from the state force and central force amid the fear of the farmers in the peripheral areas if they would not be able to harvest their paddies owing to the continuous offensive by the Kuki militants. One of the harvesters, president of 𝐶𝐤𝐼𝐻 Youth Supporting Club, 𝐿 appreciated the security forces for the initiative and also urged them to provide security to farmers in other red zones as well. Mr. International 2022 𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐻 graced the grand finale of the 15th edition of Mr. International pageant held at Baguio Cordillera Hall, Baguio Country Club, Baguio, Philippines yesterday. Using his presence in the event as an opportunity to highlight the present crisis in the state across the globe, Manipur's 𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐻 initiated a global awareness program and spoke about the turmoil in the state. In presence of representatives and national directors from various nations, global media and spokesperson 𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐻 highlighted burning Manipur and sought attention to prioritize the subject as a central focus in order to raise awareness on narco-terrorism across the globe. It is said that the matter will be extensively debated in the international media within the framework. The foundation will establish venues to draw attention and raise awareness on the urgent problems. Baguio-based international fashion designer King George created a striking ensemble for 𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐻 that conveyed the urgency of the situation. The highlight of the ramp walk of 𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐻 at the glamorous event remained 𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐻 and designer King George using the gaze of the slain teenage girl at her last moment as a means to draw people's attention towards the present turmoil in the state of Manipur.
𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐻 would like to draw your attention to the subject of narco-terrorism in the region of Northeast India, with a special focus on the state of Manipur through this esteemed platform. Let's save the world from narco-terrorism. Save the world. Save Manipur.
Through this foundation, today I shed the light to my own community, my own state, Manipur, which has been burning from the past 5 months. News of deaths, houses being displaced. In these conditions, I'm standing here as the reigning Mr. International to advocate for this cause. I want everyone to give a chance to see what's happening in India to the state called Manipur. Together, let's say, save the world from narco-terrorism, save the world, save Manipur. Thank you so much once again. Thagacheri.
𝐿 has warned of launching intense stir to find the lifeless bodies of 2 slain students if the government of Manipur and the security forces fail to hand over the mortal remains of the duo to the people of Manipur by November 5. Addressing media persons at a press meet held at 𝐶𝐲 today, Secretary of 𝐿, Asem Nirmala, said the decision of Committee of Tribal Unity (COTU) to claim the lifeless bodies of cookies at RIMS and JENIMS mortuaries is not acceptable. The dead bodies of cookies can be claimed only after the bodies of Meiteis who have been murdered by Kuki militants are handed over to the people of Manipur, she maintained. Saying how the bodies of cookies can be handed over when the last rites of the 2 slain students are yet to be performed, as their bodies have not yet been entrusted to their families. Nirmala asserted that if the government is to hand over the bodies, it should be done under strict security in presence of people of both the sides, and the bodies should be exchanged. The lifeless bodies of every slain Meiteis, including the 2 students, must be handed over to the people, she added. On the other hand, condemning the atrocities and excesses of the security forces towards women since the beginning of the crisis on May 3rd, Nirmala maintained that it should be made known to the public if it was a state government or security advisor Kuldip Singh who gave the order to the security forces to use excessive force on Meitei Merapaibis.
Fizam Hemanjit ka Linthoi Ngambiga ge haksang se ekoi da sinabanga maroidra adu etaragadi CBI na phari ba missing adugi investigation do karam na chathari bano adu CBI masa maksu haksang ani se phangdana ba hona bada delay to bada CBI su akoi da game sana ra braba ekoi tingnare angang ani dugi dead body do phangba ta taragadi makoi da karam ba miot minai chathagi dead body ge structure akai bodu uraga neba ekoi da punishment pi doise dead body do phangandana tabak se ekoi da taseng na maki lot bata taragadi kayam koi na lot pegi doino masi akoi khang mangamaroi aduna laiba tarik manga si bawgi manung da karigumba state government na state force oiro central force oiro apun basi punna karigumba haksang do pipi da taragadi lairiba ekoi kathel gi ima singa punna manipur da lairiba nupi sing punna hongminaraga akan ba phirep ama lauraka soidana make ekoi na haksang do thiba sida ekoi mateng pangjaragani ekoi changhan jaragani state government na su munna khanda biraga masida thoglakadaba apapatagi daita do state government na lawbigadabani kotu so munna tabiu ekoi gi su family mayam ama hoji kappaga lairibani dharma gi matungina makoina su makoi gi asiba haksang do piu hairi aduna ekoi su madu piba haiba se ekoi gi kappiba family mayam se yauraga both side ke family animag yauraga proper security force ka loina na matam mase patre banina matam matada loina bag identification tawnaraga wanada na exchange tawgadabani aduga masigi wanade bapot amakak leiba taragadi kariguma me masinga ma watpada madugi exchange ki thabak tawroi masing chap chana leiraga hojek siriba angang ani simaki yaurakanda loina bag exchange tawgadabani aduga ekoi nupi singa sida state force oiro central force oiro usit pidri basi karigino maina paibi nupi mayam do phudat khibi do kari maram gino aduga hojing na more da state force mayam changa kanana leng manga mandaba tear gas pau kaptaba aduga smoke bombs karinta sizinadaba kanana no moida order pidrise ekoi gi mera paibi da phubagi orders na kanana piribno masi ekoi khangba pami atamna na maitai nupi mera paibi singa sida da phu aduga atopa community gi side ki nupi da di karim to togono habagi order se state government na pibra kuldip na pibra ekoi khangba pami masi se.
District Police Thoubal today honored police officers of the district who sacrificed their lives in the line of duty on the occasion of Police Commemoration Day, which falls on October 21st every year. SP Thoubal Sachidananda Soibam and Commandant of 3rd IRB led the attendees, including family members of departed police personnel, in offering floral tributes at the portraits of 23 police personnel of the district at Thoubal District Police Headquarters. As a mark of respect, SP Sachidananda also presented gifts to family members of the departed police personnel on the occasion. Besides, District Police Thoubal and Association of Voluntary Blood Donors Manipur, Thoubal District Branch, jointly organized a blood donation camp on the campus of the District Police Headquarters. Police officers of different police stations of the district also attended the observance. It may be mentioned, Police Martyrs Day or Police Commemoration Day is observed every year in memory of the Indian police team deployed in the Ladakh region who were ambushed by Chinese troops on October 21, 1959. A total of 10 CRPF Jawans were killed in the incident. An annual feature film Dangteri by renowned film producer and director Pearson Anal was released yesterday. Transport Deputy Secretary Ritung Anal, Assistant Engineer of PHED Chandel Namring, District Program Officer Health Department Chandel, JS Premi and MSR LM Chandel Block Manager Jakin Langu graced the release function held at Modi Village in Chandel District. Speaking on the occasion, producer-director Pearson Anal said, with the release of Dangteri, the community proudly celebrates a milestone of 10 remarkable films that have emerged from Anal community. Though Anal is a small community, it is expanding rapidly in the film industry. However, the community still faces a lot of hardship in producing films. He said and appealed to the concerned department to help in promoting Anal film industry. Pearson also urged the general public to watch the film.
अखोई फिल्म से अनाल फिल्म की हैरदी होजिक से 10 सुबह फिल्म ओगनी है से खंजरी अदुगा अखोई की पॉपुलेशन दा हैरदी अखोई से अनाल से यामना पिकपा ट्राइब अमनी अदु इसो अखोई फिल्म दा बुदी होजिक से कन्ना डेवलप तौरिबा स्टेज ता लेरिबनी जनवरी दसु अखोई ट्राइबल फिल्म फेस्टिवल दसु अखोई की अनाल फिल्म ना ओवरऑल अखोइना अवार्ड से लौबनी बेस्ट फिल्म बेस्ट डायरेक्टर स्क्रीन प्ले सु अहाकना एगी फिल्म पेरल थिंगबोल हाइखिबा फिल्म दुना लौखिबनी हंदक सिदे अखोइना टीम से फजनना सेमरगा थौना याउना मयाम की कोऑपरेशन अदुगा अखोई की ट्राइब तगी मयाम की ऑडियंस की कोऑपरेशन सपोर्ट ना अखोई की फिल्म से ngasiди complete oiraga release tawbuse phangjabani.
We have plenty of news coming up, but before that, let us take a short break. Keep watching Northeast Week.
40 years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Manipur ki Chief Minister na chayol amada tawkiba thabak thoram singbu khomjin jaduna North East Window na CM this week haine mingthon saba program ama hauzaragani. Hariba program asi lakliba October ki tang kunithoi nongmaizing numiki nungthil pung 6 taba matamdagi hauzaragani. Lamdam asida leibiriba miyamna micheng tabiyu amadi pungning thokotpiyu haina nolukjari.
Welcome back. You're watching English News. A peace poster and public speaking contest on the theme Dare to Dream was held yesterday at HA High School, Habulmarak, Ngangom Leikai, Imphal West, organized by Lions Club of Imphal Janura. President of Lions Club of Imphal Janura, Amita Laisham, expressed gratitude to all the students, teaching and non-teaching staff of the very school for participating and making the program a success. People of 𝐶𝐞 will not celebrate Ningol Chakoba and Diwali festivals this year in view of the hardship facing by the people due to the current turmoil in the state of Manipur. Mayra Paibis of 𝐶𝐞 informed that since the beginning of the ethnic violence in the state, villagers of 𝐶𝐞 have been quitting their jobs to safeguard their villages. As such, the Mayra Paibis appealed to those concerned to not continue further chit fund, marup, collection of interest fund, or any other financial donation in 𝐶𝐞 district. Addressing media at a press conference held at 𝐶𝐞 Pausupat Leikai yesterday, a Mayra Paibi named Narim Ongbi Kalpana said that since no solution to the ethnic violence starting from May 3 has been brought, that bodies of Meiteis are yet to be found and many displaced people are currently taking shelter at relief camps. This And so this year's Ningol Chakoba and Diwali will not be celebrated in 𝐶𝐿.
Asukluraba imalabaki tanham asida lamdam asida laibiriba 𝐶𝐿 asida laibiriba private banking microfinancing lanai sendoi chabiriba sing punamakna 𝐶𝐿 praja punamak isa isagi thodang hanjindri kaithel mapungphana phamdri dukal hangnadri isagi sintha mapungphana painadri asukluraba tanham asida mayamdagi polum puhanbiganu.
Situation in the state remained tense but under control with sporadic incidents of firing during 24 hours between October 19 and 20. According to a report from Manipur Police Control Room, search operations were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Imphal West, Kakching, Bishnupur, Kangpokpi, Thoubal and Churachandpur districts. During the operations, 2 arms, namely one SMG carbine 01 and 1 local-made 9mm pistol and 5 explosives, including 2 hand grenades HE-36, 3 country-made bombs and 1 pompi were recovered from Chalpung village under Saparmaina police station in Kangpokpi district. Movement of 160 vehicles along National Highway 37 and 224 vehicles along National Highway 2 with essential items were ensured. While strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy was provided along sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles, the report said. A total of 132 checkpoints were also installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley, and police detained 1,962 persons in connection with violations in different districts of the state, it added. Now before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Combined State Police and Assam Rifles team provides security to farmers during harvest at Sangaithal paddy fields in Imphal West district. Mr. International 2022 Lukanan Khetrimayum raises narco-terrorism issue in Manipur at Mr. International pageant in Philippines. 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐿𝐻 warns of launching intense stir if bodies of 2 slain students not handed over to people by November 5. And Police Commemoration Day observed in Thoubal district. Police personnel of district who sacrificed their lives in line of duty honored. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.